Hey everybody, Guy Javrone here with Agentive Storage, and we're going to talk about creating some really cool images with Google's Nano Banana. So if you've got Google Gemini, or if you've got a workspace account, or even if you've got a personal account, you can access Gemini 2.5 Flash, and you'll see in big letters right at the top, try image editing. So this is how we use it in our facilities for creating all of our creatives right now. You just tell it, you give it the photos of your facility or whatever photos you want to include, as long as they're properly licensed and yours. You give it your logo, you tell it what special you want, and then you tell it, give me a few variations for it, and you tell it what platform you're going to use it for. So just as an example, I'm going to load up a logo, and then we're going to drop some stock footage in here. There we go. Then we're just going to ask it straight up. So please create a Facebook image post for a new special at our self-storage facility. Please use the logo and the stock footage attached. The special is get your first month free. The call to action is call now. The phone number is 555-222-3333. And please include the URL to our website, yourtownselfstorage.com. Please provide 3 variations for a Facebook image. All right, and then we're just going to hit ready, go. So there's image 1. Image 2. And image 3. And you can tell, you can go back in and you can say, great, thank you. Now please provide a YouTube thumbnail for the same special. Please provide 3 variations. And that one got even cooler. Not the right logo though, so you'd have to go back. But you can use any of this as Canva. So some of the limitations are this loses what we're trying to do in that chat. So what I would probably do is I would go back in and I would post the stock again. Let me grab my logo real quick here. I'm just going to say the whole thing again. And what we could do is you could just go up and you could copy your initial post, copy it here, and we're just going to do, please create a YouTube thumbnail for a new special storage facility. Get your YouTube push for YouTube. You can do that for any one of your social medias. And then you'll see here, this is apologies for I used different stock images in my previous prompt. Let's correct that. So it gives us variation 1, variation 2, and incoming variation 3, and it's the correct size. You download it here. and use it for your social media. This is by far the coolest, Nano Banana. I know some people use ChatGPT for images, but Nano Banana has far and away been the best one that we've used, because it will actually, you can tell it, don't make stuff up, even though these are cool. And you could absolutely take this and you can ask it in the chat, variation 3, I like variation 2, please use my logo, and it'll put all that in there. And then you can use it, and it's your image would be back here, but it's your special, your phone number, your URL, everything you need to put the images in there. We use these for YouTube ads. We use these for Google ads. You can add these creatives. Google ads, of course, you can upload them, and Google actually uses Nano Banana to create a lot of your ad configurations now. So this is by far the best one that I've used so far. And there is an API for it, so you can actually schedule this stuff. So you can link this to your Slack channel, or you can link it to your Teams channel, and you could just use your Teams bot or your Slack bot to ask Gemini to create you for the latest special and dump it into your Teams channel. There's plenty of different automations that you can. They all come with MCPs and APIs, and you can link it to your workflow and just cut down on the time it takes to create the creatives. And if you want to get real fancy, you can just upload it straight to AdWords. So that's today's AI automation image creating tip. Hope you got some value out of this. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next time.